Okay, so the fourth lesson is about Paul and Silas when they were in prison. They were in the inner prison. It was a dark place, and yet they chose to do some things to help them experience the presence of God in a dark place. And so in this one, they're going to be making these little gel packets, and it's really cool. The door opens, which is rather cool. So they'll take this, they'll attach their little Paul and Silas, they'll take the bars of the cell, and then they'll attach the door on one side with these little black pieces to give them the bolts of the door. And you know, for Paul and Silas, they had to be very angry and very sad that they were in prison because there was no reason for them to be there, and they were being mistreated for no reason. And a lot of the kids understand that feeling. And so what we want to teach them is that, yes, we go through those hard times, but we have a choice, and we can draw near to God during those times, and it's really helpful to know that He's with us. In this lesson, they'll be going through 3 ways that Paul and Silas experienced the presence of God in a dark place. So we hope that this will really be a lesson for them to know, okay, you're saying God's with me, but how do I experience that in these dark times in my life? And so we're going to give them 3 ways through the story of Paul and Silas that will really be encouragement to them. Thanks.